5 Natural Remedies for Softening Calluses. Have you ever considered applying natural remedies for softening calluses? Calluses are a beauty problem that affect your feet when you don't pay enough attention to them during your hygiene routine. These are hard spots formed by the friction of your footwear and your foot. Calluses usually build up dead skin cells that keep your skin from regenerating like it should. They appear on the soles of your foot and your heels. However, they can also appear on the toes of one or both of your feet. Fortunately, besides treatments you can find in the store, there are natural remedies that help you to soften calluses. These help you to regain foot health. In this article, we want to share 5 interesting options so that you can try them at home. Take note: baking soda and lavender oil. Take advantage of the astringent properties in baking soda mixed with the antibacterial and relaxing properties of lavender oil. This gives you a complete treatment for calluses that affect your foot health. These ingredients get rid of dead skin cells. They also help to hydrate affected areas so that the skin heals without a problem. Ingredients: 5 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of lavender oil. Instructions: heat up the water. When it's warm to the touch, pour it into a tub. Add the baking soda and lavender oil. Mix them so that they dissolve well. How to use it? Soak your feet in this mixture for 20 minutes. After this time, rub them with a pumice stone. Repeat this treatment 2 or 3 times per week until you get rid of your calluses. Epsom salts and eucalyptus oil. This treatment with Epsom salts and eucalyptus oil doesn't just soften hard skin on your feet. It also prevents fungus and has a relaxing effect. Ingredients: 5 cups of water, 1/2 cup of Epsom salts, 1 teaspoon of eucalyptus oil. Instructions: heat up the water without letting it boil. Then, pour it into a tub. Add the Epsom salts and eucalyptus oil. Mix them until they are well dissolved. How to use it? Soak your feet for 20 minutes. Then, rub your feet with a pumice stone. Use this treatment 3 times per week to get good results. Vaseline and Vitamin E. Both Vaseline and Vitamin E are powerful hydrating and healing ingredients. They make it easier to get rid of calluses and imperfections in your feet. This natural cream repairs your cells. Plus, it helps to get rid of dead skin that causes hard skin spots. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons of Vaseline, 1 capsule of Vitamin E. Instructions: add the Vaseline to a glass container and mix it with the contents of a Vitamin E capsule. How to use it. Take the amount you think is necessary. Then, massage it on your feet until it completely absorbs. Repeat this treatment every night before going to bed. Garlic and coconut oil. The antibiotic and anti-inflammatory power of garlic mixed with the hydrating compounds in coconut oil. As a result, it gives you an effective treatment for softening calluses and treat athlete's foot. This natural remedy also fights foot fungus. Plus, it hydrates dry areas to soften hard skin. Ingredients: 5 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Instructions: crush the garlic cloves and mix them with the coconut oil to get a paste. How to use it. Rub the treatment on your feet and let it work for 40 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Repeat this treatment 2 or 3 times per week. Tomato and olive oil. The antioxidants in tomatoes together with the fatty acids in olive oil heal the skin on your feet. This is especially the case for calluses and cracked skin. Ingredients: 2 ripe tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Instructions: crush the ripe tomatoes. Then, mix them with olive oil. How to use it. Apply the treatment on your feet and let it work for 40 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Repeat this treatment every night before going to bed. Have you neglected your feet? Have you noticed calluses or dry patches of skin? Keep some of these remedies in mind. This way, you can soften your feet and make them look better.